Springer. Welcome to Georgia College Early College. For your first visit, here are a few important things you will need to know. The first thing you need to know is where our school is located and where to park. Georgia College Early College is located at 202 Kilpatrick Education Center. Our main office is located in room 202 Kilpatrick Education Center. This is where you sign in and sign out each time you visit our school. For your first visit, please let our staff know, it will be me or Miss Madeline, why you are here and where you would like to be, and we will assist you and help you find where you're going. After each visit, it is very important that you sign out before you leave. So you'll come back to room 202, and we often have a little sheet that you have to sign in and sign out, and you do that and you are fine. If you feel that a child you are working with is experiencing abuse either at home or at school, it is very important that you report this right away to the principal or coordinated school site coordinator if one is available. Thank you so much for volunteering at Georgia College Early College.